Resetting your iPhone 16's keyboard dictionary helps eliminate incorrect word predictions and autocorrections by removing all learned custom words and returning to factory defaults. This can help improve autocorrect accuracy by removing incorrect word suggestions you've previously added. Here's how it's done. To get started, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down all the way to the bottom section and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next window, tap on Reset to continue. A list of different reset options will load up next. Find and tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Next, enter your device passcode when prompted. Read the pop-up warning about deleting custom words and then tap Reset Dictionary to confirm. All custom settings you've made to the keyboard dictionary settings will now be deleted, and the default keyboard app dictionary is restored. This iOS feature is particularly useful when your device has learned too many incorrect words or when you want to start fresh with text predictions. Note that this action cannot be undone, and all custom learned words will be permanently removed. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.